Guys, ito, isang lending app ang ni-request sa akin para reviewin natin siya. And luckily, itong kaibigan ko ay nag-try din mag-apply ng loan dito. Sino ba to? Siya si Peso Loan. Yan, sinubukan niya mag-apply at buti na lang, hindi niya tinuloy. Bakit? Well, samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin si Peso Loan at bakit buti na lang hindi tumuloy yung kaibigan ko mag-apply dito. So, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here on my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron ako experience at ginawan ko na yan na videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so yun na nga, buti na lang at hindi nagtuloy ng application dito yung kaibigan ko. Ang laki pa naman ng na-offer sa kanya and shinare niya tong information sa akin para ma-review nga natin. So, before anything else, shoutout muna kay Brian Biri. So, thank you, Bri, for letting me use the Peso Loan na screen recording mo. Okay, so let's start. So, sino ba tong Peso Loan? Tingnan natin kung ano yung offer ng website niya, kung ano yung na-advertise niya. Silipin natin yung Play Store and yung App Store, kung ilan yung rating, kung ano yung feedback, and then yung calculation ng in-offer sa kaibigan kong si Brian. So, simulan na natin. So, pupunta tayo sa pesoloan.ph. Unang-una sa taas, yung link niyang apps, tapos tsura ng app, high credit limit daw, you can borrow as much as 100,000, flexible and fast repayment, halos pare-pares naman itong mga online lending apps, 3-minute application and assessment within 24 hours, and how to install, search daw yung Peso Loan, download from Google Play, yun lang naman. Okay, so check natin yung Google Play Store, so Peso Loan. So under to ng Masaganang Buhay Finance Philippines Corporation. Ayan. So, check natin to. High loan amount, installment payment terms daw, SEC registered daw, oo. Sige. No additional fees. Okay, quick and easy. Easy borrowing and repayment. Limit expansion up to 100,000. Okay, so check natin SEC registration niya. Okay. So, sabi niya, registered daw siya sa SEC website, which is, chinek ko naman sa SEC website nga na makikita natin siya dito. So, number 74 siya. Masaganang Buhay Finance Philippines Corporation. Yan. Under the name of Peso Loan. Yan. So, again, not necessarily kapag registered ka with SEC, sumusunod ka na sa Fair Collection Practice and dun sa SEC memo about the interest rate cap on loans na 10,000 and below. Tingnan natin. So, balik tayo sa Google Play Store. Tingnan natin yung about this app. So, sa Taguig din yung head office pala nila. So, ito daw, yung loan period daw is 91 days to 180 days. Maximum limit, loan limit na 1,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos. Ang laki daw ng pahiram ha. Low interest, maximum na APR ay 19% per year. Okay, so yeah, wala na namang kakaiba. Pwede na tayong pumunta sa rating. Okay, for rating, 4.7 stars. Wow, at 180,000 reviews. Google Play pa lang yan. Check natin sa Apple Store. So, ito sa Peso Loan, 4.6 stars naman. Sa 4.6 stars, ito naman merong 18,000 na rating. So, mas tingnan natin yung Google Play Store kasi mas maraming rating dito. So, ito, most relevant, it's actually the worst from Cyril Necosia. Sabi niya, though your credit amount is 10,000, it's ridiculous to pay it after 7 days. Which is tama naman. They gave you 5 months to pay, but it turns out you can pay the loan for 2 payments only. And the first payment covers the whole amount you loan with interest. I even tried to change my salary into 4,000 per month, so they'll adjust my credit loan, but it won't change. Still at 10,000. I mean, aren't you afraid I can't pay my loan? Ito, sabi niya, I like this app because of high credit limit. So, actually, nasilip ko na to and most of the reviews nga, nagsasabi na mataas magbigay ng credit limit etong Peso Loan. But my concern is about the payment time limit. Ito rin yun. Ganun din. They say that it's payable in 4.5 months or 5 months, but it's actually payable only a week. The only payable for 5 months is the interest. It is not convenient for us who receive our salary 3rd week of the month. Well, loophole. Loophole yun, loophole. Check natin yung newest rating. Okay. Sabi ni Jason Pasco, nice app. Okay. Good. Ito galing kay Leslie. Naku, Leslie. Not recommended app to be used. Beware. Siguro, beware. Because they will treat you that they will send a coffin if they will not pay on time. Nagets nyo ng gist. So, magpapadala daw sila ng kabaong kapag hindi ka nagbayad on time. A literal loan shark. They will threaten you to be embarrassed on your workplace and threaten to contact reference. The caller is so rude and very disrespectful. And they will try to shout on a call scam alert. Okay, so hindi natin alam kasi kung si Peso Loan ang may in-house agent o kumukuha siya ng third-party collection agent. So, hindi natin alam. Pero, again, dun sa fair collection practice na sinabi ng SEC, kasama naman yung mga third-party collectors. So, yung mga third-party collectors, nire-represent nila yung company as a collecting agent. So, magkaroon man ng infraction sa fair collection practice itong mga collection agent, well, we can also ding itong mga online lending apps talaga. Okay, ito yung hinahanap ko talaga. Kasi at 180,000 review, 4.7 star siya. So, hindi ako ganun believe or naniniwala dito sa rating. Kasi, ito yun. I'm waiting. I hope it's good. So, naghihintay siya for approval and nag-rate na siya ng 5 star. So, the 5 star rating may be synthetic since yung nanghihiram ay looking forward for approval. So, bibigyan ka ng 5 star, sana mabigyan mo ako ng loan. Parang ganun. Okay, so now that we're able to see the red flags for this online lending app, eto na, silipin na natin yung sample calculation. Again, credit to Brian Biri. So, dito sa account ng kaibigan ko, 50,000 pesos yung credit limit na nabigay sa kanya. So, pag clinic mo yung apply now, ayan, payment terms niya ay 14, and yung huli ay 85 days. So, kung i-calculate natin yan, 14 times 3, 42 days plus 85, 127 days daw ang loan term niya. Yun nga, sinircumvent kasi nila yung installment terms, kaya ganyan. Anyway, sige. Withdrawal option is pwedeng via GCash. Ayan. Total installment is for 4 periods. Ayun pala, meron pala total number of days, 127 days. Disbursed amount is 50,000 pesos. Okay, so ito na yung repayment niya. Ang first payment daw ay 27,000 pesos. Second 14 days is 20,250. And the third 14 days ay 19,575. And then, butal na lang yung pang 127 day. Okay, so i-calculate natin to. 27,000 plus 20,250 plus 19,575 plus 675. It would give us around 67,500. I-minus natin yung 50,000 na principal. Ang total interest niya ay 17,500. Okay. Para for the benefit naman ni Peso Loan, wag natin isama yung 675. Kasi, sobrang tagal nun after 127 days pa yung due. So, pwede na natin tanggalin and let's just consider yung tatlong malalaking payment. So, minus natin 675. Okay, so basically, kung magpo-focus tayo dun sa tatlong payment na malalaki, ang total interest nun ay 16,825. I-divide natin yan by 50,000, lalabas na 33.65% sa loob ng 42 days. So, i-divide natin yan para makita natin yung per day. Divided by 42 days, ayan, lalabas na 0.8% ang interest rate niya on a daily basis. Sobrang laki nito, guys. Kasi, si One Hand, si Mabilis Cash ay 0.49, parang ganon. Ito, ayan, 0.08. So, i-multiply natin to by 365 days. Ayan, lalabas na 292.43% ang interest rate niya. Kung kunin natin monthly, ang monthly niya ay 24.36 or 37%. Malayo sa 15% na naka-max. Though, yung 15% kasi na interest na sinasabi ni SEC ay for loans na 10,000 and below. So, ito siguro dahil 50,000, hindi na siya applicable dun sa Pero for a 24% per month na interest rate or 1/4 ng loan mo, masyadong malaki. Ewan ko, ako guys, nalalakihan talaga ako. Ewan ko sa inyo, para sa akin guys, sobrang taas ang interest, hindi makatarungan. And the fact na hindi pa okay ang fair collection practice, hindi ko alam kung si Peso Loan ba mismo or yung mga collection agency ni Peso Loan. So, hindi natin alam. Pero based on the feedback nga ng reviews sa Peso Loan, medyo nanghaharas nga sila. So, if we check the list ng mga online lending apps na na-review natin, well, at 292%, makikita nyo siya dyan. Again guys, Kung manghihiram na lang din kayo, make sure na piliin nyo ang may pinakamababang interest rate, and then silipin nyo kung sumusunod ba sila sa fair collection practice or nanghaharas ba sila o hindi. Basically, do your research before jumping in on getting a loan. For my question of the day, actually, this is my first time na naka-experience ng ganitong kalalaking credit limit na pinapahiram ng mga online lending apps. Ayan, for our question of the day, kung ang in-offer sa inyo ay ganito kalaking amount pero hindi naman ito yung amount na kailangan nyo, meaning mas maliit ang kailangan nyo, kukunin nyo pa rin ba itong offer na loan sa inyo with the same high interest o maghahanap na lang kayo ng ibang mauutangan na fit sa principal amount and interest na kailangan nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at dad_legend. Sabi niya, Nash, napanood ko kasal mo, napaiyak ka doon. Well, again, hindi po ako si Nash. But thank you po kung nako-compare nyo po kay Nash. Siguro ako po yung older version ni Nash Agwas. Nash Agnas. Okay. Sige po, at dad_legend, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you po for watching and supporting my videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me. Please subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para mag-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!